As you can see, I can put lots of strength onto those jaws, and they're not opening or skipping. Ouch. Today we're going to review the B2 PLS plier wrench set from Gray Tools. The set includes 2 pliers. The 7-inch, which is part number B287B, can adjust up to 15 different positions with the press of a button. You release the mechanism and you can slide them open all the way to 1.5 inch or 40 millimeter. This pair of pliers weigh 0.7 pound. The 10-inch version, which is part number B280B, can adjust up to 19 different positions with the press of the button, which also have the matrix size. Maximum opening is 50 millimeter. And if we flip it on the other side, it shows it has in standard, and it's up to 2 inches. This set of pliers weigh 1.15 pound. As you can see, the jaws are smooth, and as you're opening and closing the pliers, the jaw stays perfectly parallel. Compared to an adjustable wrench, they have a very thin profile, which is also true comparing them to a wrench. The laser marking on the side makes it very easy to adjust it fast to fit your hardware. Those are drop forged and heat treated for maximum strength, and the chrome plated finish makes it corrosion resistant. And they come with a limited lifetime warranty. But now you might ask, why would I use those instead of regular adjustable pliers or wrenches? Every tool have their place depending on your application and your use for them. But just as a little guide, this is a standard set going all the way to 1 inch, and a matrix set going all the way to 24 inches. Well, all of this here and more can be replaced with those 2 pliers. Now, of course, this is not for all application, but you can do most of the job that you would do with those wrenches. Also, if you're using adjustable wrench, usually you'll know that when you're putting lots of strength on those wrench, sometimes after years of use, they get loose a little bit, and then the jaw just open as you're prying on it, and increased chance of slipping. Well, with the teeth and the jaw locking like this, then this cannot get loose and start moving on you. So it's more secure on your hardware. And compared to a regular channel lock, those actually, as you're moving them up and down, they stay more parallel. Now it seems that those pliers are pretty tough, so let's try them. I weigh about 200 pounds. Might not be the best angle for a good grip, but we'll see. Pass the test to me. This gives you a good grip to tackle whichever project you need to. And if you end up having a damaged hardware, you can just read which hardware you need to go get. So for this nut, I would need to get the 916. Let me know in the comment below. You have any Gray tools in your toolbox? And if there's any other Gray tools that you would like me to review. I'll see you in the next video.